Google's Pixel 10 series is expected to launch soon, and we are seeing a lot of rumors surrounding the phones on the web. So, let's see what could be in store. Google is expected to launch the Pixel 10 series in mid-August this year at the Made by Google launch event. The lineup may include Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The entire Pixel 10 family may run on the new Tensor G5 chip, reportedly built on TSMC's 3nm node. This could offer better AI performance, cooler thermals and improved efficiency. It is also being said that the regular Pixel 10 might sport a triple rear camera setup, including a periscope telephoto sensor along a 50MP main and 13MP ultra-wide lens. It is rumored that the new software tricks will let Pixel 10 blend its ultra-wide and telephoto lenses for sharper macro shots from a distance, dubbed tele-macro functionality. Pixel 10 might keep the flat edge design, camera bar and aluminium frame, but with small tweaks like moving the SIM tray to the top and refining button placement. Pixel 10 might come in colors like limoncello, iris and midnight, while Pro models may come in porcelain, sterling grey and smoky green. The new series is also expected to come with gimbal-like stabilization, 4K HDR video and new AI camera tools like Magic Q, Speak to Tweak and Video Generative ML. As per reports, the Pixel 10 series may come with a faster ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The upgraded ultrasonic sensor in the Pixel 10 series is said to be more secure and more reliable than the previous version. It is also said to work better when operating the phone with wet fingers. That's all for now. Which of these possible upgrades are you most excited about? Do tell us in the comments. And for all the latest updates from the world of tech, do subscribe to Gadgets 360.